Hello guys, this is the second part of the previous video in which we were trading the silver. Today I will trade another asset but with the same strategy. So if you haven't seen that video, I recommend you to see it and then come back to this one. So guys, this very simple trading strategy is just about these two indicators. It's a very profitable strategy if you know how to apply and if you are disciplined. Obviously, this is my live account. So, guys, what I recommend you to do is to practice in a demo account before you go on real. Okay. Anyway, I will let you link to the official page of this broker, which is right here below this video, so you can see it. And you will also find a complete tutorial about this broker on that link. So guys, let's see some other pairs that are showing up some opportunity right now. This one, I like the pairs that offer more than 80 percentage. All right, we have an opportunity just right now. I think that we are a little bit late because we entered the trade just um, in the middle of this forming candlestick, so it's not that good. The ideal entry was a little bit above. Remember, this is a 1 minute expiration and any second count, but it's okay. In the next trade, I will enter a best trade. Guys, remember to combine the support and resistance level, because all of this, the market condition right now is in a range mode right now, but the price is moving up a little bit higher. This is the most obvious resistance, but I think that this candlestick, this this both candlestick, the first one is this one, we have a signal for sell. I mean, and this is also sellers struggling to go down. So what I think, the price is being rejected by the market at this level, and at any time soon, at any time soon, it will go down, or at least it will pull back to the middle bollinger band. That's what I think. So let me make another entry just in case. I think we are going to win the first one. Yes, we are winning the first one. Let me see. Sure, we are winning. We won the first one, and I think we can win the second one too. So we can recover the first one. So guys, as you can see, as simple as that, it's something a little bit logic. We have two very good candlesticks that support our entries. This one and also this one. These are weakness. Weakness. It shows weakness for this move. For this movement up. Alright, so we are winning this one. Let me see how many seconds. Oh yeah, we won that one too. So if the price try to go back again and it doesn't break up this level, I can make another entry to the downside, but I need to wait for this candlestick to close. Otherwise, we have to look for some other pairs. Let me see, because it's pulling back, and it's very close to this resistance level. So I will make another entry. It's a little bit risky, this one, because of the candlestick pattern. But anyway, it didn't close above the resistance level. I'm sorry for the draw, the bad draw. This is the resistance level. It didn't close above it. So that's why I made the entry. So let's wait. And yes, I think we will win this trade. Something else besides this kind of candlestick is that the price is at the upper bollinger bands, and it is also on the I mean it was on the overbought zone of the CCI indicator, which is a very good signal to go down. So let me wait a little bit more here to see if the price comes back to this level, so I can have another opportunity. Otherwise, I'll see some other pairs on the meantime. I don't know. All right. As you can see here, we we were having an opportunity. Let me check. Let me see how this candlestick close, because this was another opportunity, but we were trading against the trend that is a little bit down. It's okay. Let me see if this candlestick reach this level again, but it doesn't broke down, so I can make an entry to the upside. Why? Because it's reaching and is close to the lower bollinger band, and it is also at the oversold zone in the CCI indicator. But besides this, we have a very good signal of rejection, which is this wick. But since we are trading against the trend, this trade is risky. So I would trade only $10, yeah, to the upside. So as you can see here, we can see the candlestick as I told you. This candlestick reached this level again, trying to make a test, but it didn't broke down. So what I think the price, it, it can move. I mean, can move to the upside if the CCI entered to this zone again, to the gray zone. But now I'm a little bit scary because the price is breaking down. Yes, it's breaking down with strange, but it's okay. It's something that can happen. It's a risk that we have to take. So what I can do right now is to take an entry to the downside. I mean, put option. Yes, that's what I'm going to do. All right, I'm going to take one more entry to the downside because of okay, no, I'm late to make another trade here, but I know this was a very good, I mean a very good breakdown. That's what I see here. So that's why I made that entry. Guys, if you like this kind of content, please let me know, and don't forget to subscribe it. Okay, guys, we are winning this trade, and we have 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1 seconds left. We won that trade, guys. But I think we can win another one to the downside because we are trading with the trend, the downtrend. Okay, let me see if we have another opportunity. Here we have another opportunity. Let me see Tesla. Oh yeah, we have Tesla. This will be our last trade. Guys, I hope you enjoy this video and you like it. But I don't like this because it's for 5 minute expiration, the minimum. So I don't like it. Guys, that's it for today. I hope to see you on the next video. Please subscribe it.